Now, dear student, I am going to focus on plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is also a part of commercial farming. Dear student, plantation agriculture mostly take place in tropical and subtropical countries. In plantation agriculture, the main motto of farmers earn huge amount of money. How it's possible? It is possible only farmers sell their product into local market. Besides, in the case of plantation agriculture, farmers select only single crops, not like in the case of extensive and intensive, select more than one crops, only select single crops. And same type of crops used by the farmers for a longer term. It means the production of the crops used by the farmer year by year following this way. They mostly grow tea, coffee, rubber, etc. Processing of the crops take place on the same site, through which minimize the cost of the products. Besides, minimize the wastage of the products, because if production is transported for a longer distance, then maybe there is difficulty to transport these things for a long distance. So, processing units set up in the same site. Beside, productions of plantation agriculture not used by the local people. Local consumption very less, because they sell into the market. There are so many factors which determine the plantation agriculture, like we can say there is a need of huge money, huge capital, huge investment of money. Besides, there is a need of a skilled laborer at a very low cost, because there is a need of more labor and a skilled labor. So they try to use them at a very low cost, especially in Assam regions, in tea plantation. Laborers are working at a very low cost. Besides, better transport facilities, efficient management is also needed. If management is not properly run, then it can be bad for the plantation agriculture. So, by this way we can say, humid region of the world, because tea, coffee and rubber, these crops need much water. So humid region of the world is considered best for the production of these crops. These are the few information regarding plantation agriculture. Next topic we study in next video. Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to study about the major crops, which is the next topic. In major crops, we are going to firstly discuss about first topic, cereals crop. Cereals crop means अनाज वाली फसलें. We are going to discuss about the cereal crops with the help of chart, because by this way we can easily understand and we can make comparison between all these cereals crops in the case of soil type, rainfall, temperature, areas in the world and areas in the India. First of all, we are going to discuss about the rice. In the case of rice, soil which is suitable, alluvial, loamy and clay soil. Alluvial, loamy and clay soil is suitable for the cultivation of rice. For the rice, rainfall required above 100 centimeter. Those area of the country which have alluvial, loamy and clay soil and also receive above 100 centimeter rainfall suitable for the cultivation of rice. Rice need temperature 25 degrees Celsius above, 25 degrees Celsius either above temperature. Areas in the world where rice production take place in Bangladesh, China, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia. Areas in India where rice production take place Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. So by this way, if you are remembering this flow chart, this tabulation chart, then you can easily memorize. Need to remember only rice, type of soil, alluvial, loamy and clay, rainfall above 100 centimeter, temperature 25 degree plus, areas you can memorize only 2 or 3, hardly 3, you can remember only 3 production area of the world, 3 in India, it is enough for writing while you are going to write during the examination. Now in the case of wheat need loamy soil and wheat need 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter rainfall. For the cultivation of wheat during sowing the seeds in the agriculture field, S for sowing seed, S denote for sowing time. So during the sowing time, sowing seeds, temperature need 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, and during the harvesting, when crop bill ripened completely, then there is need temperature 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Means for the wheat there is 2 type of temperature needed here, for sowing and for harvesting. Now wheat production area in the world is North and South America, both continent. Central Eurasia, Eurasia means the part of Europe and Asia which is lies in central location known as Central Eurasia. Then Australia, Canada, China, Russia. In India, wheat production take place mainly in Bihar, Haryana, MP means Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. So these are the geographical condition and distribution of wheat all over the world and India. By this way you can memorize. Another cereals crop is maize. For maize, soil which needed well drained alluvial soil. Well drained alluvial soil means accumulation of water is not good, not fit for the cultivation of maize. Rainfall needed 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter rainfall needed for the maize. 21 to 27 degree Celsius temperatures needed for the cereals crops of maize. Maize mostly grown in world Argentina, Brazil, Canada, China, Mexico and Russia. In India, maize grown in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. By this way, you can memorize geographical condition for the production of maize. Now your last topic, a type of cereals crop is millets. For millets, soil which are essential any poor quality soil. Good soil is not required for the production of millets. For millets, rainfall is essential 30 cm to 75 cm rainfall. Area which receive 30 to 75 cm rainfall, then we can grow millets on the same regions. Its needed temperature 18 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius temperature. Production area in the world is China and Nigeria. These are the two major countries which are produce millets. In India, it's produced in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, thereafter Maharashtra, and last one is the Uttar Pradesh. By this way, you can memorize about these four type of cereals crops which are given in your book.